Mema Obi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Premo. Kwesi Pratt Jr., managing editor of the Inside newspaper. For the Ensamatuya. Total limited registration exercise course Basa Yania DC was here or the Ensamatuya. Da Hasana Mede main seminar in Alabama. Mr. Say, when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Would you be able to say, over click the subscribe button? Na wabele notification we answer video for be upload also once epic can be afi ubia na like video give us a thumbs up na fi wa share ma ofoforo so enye bi hwe na wo hu bia ekọ afi yenko semini Kwesi Pratt what the ensema to bia papa what you say voter limited registration exercise ye kotro din keke eno na ye basa esi wase amanfo tututuo ni ade osi afanu mienu nyina the two sides we to na we ato na wode kokobo se ma Ghana for esi ni penifo one wo mema osi dependu ha one tra one wo power tese one pese one be free so osi hwe ye hwe amama de sisi wo hodon ye de bia ye se Ghana de ayesronko bisa ATC osi our leaders should look sharp na Kwesi Pratt to one nsem so no wo che se one tututuo to second one day mankofo no one ye ahweye na watch the see wo some of these sentences no was a bon hu ye papa also wo hu bi pan wo membi tia wa medi wasasi so na hu nyema bebre watch 1966 could you see let the blood flow or the nyina atuga watch say no na dance bi kra ye na down for to Kwesi ani ade ye body tu keke 1979 24 hu sem nyina Kwesi Pratt edi nyina atuga awo Ghana fokoko ne mpenifo awon wo omema yes emre yenkotie Kwesi Pratt Jr., managing editor of the Inside newspaper said ye wodi sanse wo nyina atuga yenkotie ne nsem no yenti nsem no.
I just like to sound a note of caution. Look around the world. See all these countries where leaders try to rig elections by intimidating people and so on. What happened to those leaders? We know. You understand? See all these countries around the world where leaders ended their term limits and said, no, we will stay on, either personally or through surrogates, and see what happened in those countries. Why do we think that Ghana is different? That Ghana is so different that those things that happened in the many other countries cannot happen here. I think our leaders should look sharp. Look, this Akan proverb, is very weighty. And I'm imploring our leaders to pay attention to this Akan proverb. Then also, my cabrofo, my brother, then also, there are institutions that we, the people of Ghana, have set up to prevent mayhem and chaos. And we have equipped these institutions to take appropriate action at the appropriate time. Listen to what I'm saying very carefully. I'm deliberately choosing my words. We have set up institutions and equipped these institutions to use some methods to intervene in order to prevent this country from falling into chaos. If we continue on this path, you would only be inviting those institutions to do what they are mandated to do by the constitution of this country. Don't blame you, don't blame anybody for the consequences of your own actions. Because voter registration exercise, small voter registration exercise, not the actual voting. What I saw was frightening. Two sides firing weapons at each other. Two sides. Now, if the police was to behave the way they had to behave and so on, what do you think that the police should have done? And if the police failed to restore order and so on, what do you think will happen next? The army is then invited in to restore order, to take over. You understand? So what is happening is most dangerous. And leaders of all the political parties must think twice and take measures to avert it. I've seen some things before. In my very short life, I've seen things. I saw the 1966 coup with my eyes. I was at the Bavana Junction when the soldiers and people came to arrest Nkrumah security men, and I saw the blood that flowed on the streets at Bavana Junction. You see that place where the PSC has its national headquarters, just close by. I saw it. I saw the blood that flowed at the Accra New Town Truck Station. Then it was the Lagos town. When some security personnel came to be arrested just right at the junction next to the post office, I saw it with my own eyes. I saw the mayhem that occurred at Kanda Estate. The number of people who lost their lives in the fighting on the streets of Kanda Estate. I saw it. I wasn't told, I saw it. I saw June 4th. June 4th, 1979. I saw it. December 31st, 1982. I saw it and I lived it. And I cannot forget that 264 people got missing in Ghana. I cannot forget it. Those of you who are misbehaving, who are buying guns for people to shoot at registration centers, those of you who are buying cutlasses and distributing them and so on, be careful. Be very, very careful. Because when it happens, it will happen. I hope you understand what I'm saying. When it happens, it will happen. And nobody can be insulated. Look, December 1981, after the coup, my classmate, Lieutenant Emmanuel Tete, innocent person, he didn't carry a weapon, nothing. He woke up in the morning, was wearing tracksuit, was just going to jog, doing his normal regular exercise. You know why? He was shot dead. We lost Emmanuel Tete. Why? Because there was a report that some dissidents had come and they were in tracksuit. So as soon as they saw him in tracksuit, they gunned him down. He died. So all these people, brainless people, who are buying weapons for people to go and disturb things, brainless people who are carrying weapons around and so on, I think they should be careful. Last week, I said something. If you don't want to die, don't do the things which will make you die. The consequences of this stupidity can be grave, especially for those who are perpetrating this. And so now, Electoral Commission, we give them bodyguards. Some of them are protected by armored vehicles and so on. I'm sure their salaries are not small. They are not like the type you take at Radio Gold. You understand? And they cannot do simple addition. They don't know 1 + 1. What are they sitting on the commission for? Every time they have to do addition, this country is in trouble. The last elections, they announced election results 3 times because they don't know how to add. When I went to school, I thought that addition was the easiest, the simplest. It was easier than subtraction. It was easier than division. It was easier than multiplication. This electoral commission is showing me that even simple 1 plus 1 can be difficult. Yes, actually what they're doing is 1 plus 1. One person registers at a time, another person registers, you add it, you get 2. You keep adding ones until you get the final figure. They can't do that. When they issue press statement, hey, stop there. Press statement, mistakes, so they have to record their statements. When they do addition, trouble. So what is this electoral commission capable of doing? Correct. I can't believe it. There is a certain Latin saying that we used to repeat. Vidimus. Yeah. Vidimus. I think there was something that we used to say in addition. Vidimus. Vide. Sena. Vide.
Vidimus is Vide.
No.
Wow, okay.
Let them carry on with their...
Check. Vidimus.
I see. Thank you very much.
You're waiting for winning and some Kwesi Pratt Jr., managing editor of the Inside newspaper. In some of the two, I watch a Nimber Tiawa was as if we were be now one I wanted to do a tour in the kind of manco for 1 in your year. 1 in your year, that Kwesi Pratt and $7 and not up to the because GCD so and our hero 7 young subscriber. Best say, over subscribe on one like it. Now, what shade you? Ama offer for so any na wahwe also betimi akere waden afa eye and some we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mo beti linka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.